Today, the entire auto industry is racing toward the future. From China to Japan, companies are launching new EVs packed with advanced technology, smarter batteries, and futuristic software. Every month, another automaker claims it has built the next big thing. But while the world was busy watching electric cars become more advanced, Elon Musk and Tesla were quietly working on something far bigger. Not just a new car, not just a better battery, but a completely different way of building cars themselves. And if Tesla succeeds, the entire auto industry could change forever by 2027. Just imagine this for a second. What if the factories we see today, with thousands of robots welding hundreds of small metal pieces together, suddenly became outdated? What if one giant machine could replace huge sections of an entire production line? What if a car body that once required hundreds of separate parts could now be created in one single shot? That is exactly what Tesla is trying to do. This is not a normal factory upgrade. This is the arrival of a machine so massive and powerful that it sounds almost unreal. A machine with nearly 50,000 tons of clamping force. A machine capable of injecting enormous amounts of molten aluminum into giant molds at incredible speed. A machine that could completely rewrite how cars are manufactured around the world. And according to Elon Musk, this machine may become the heart of Tesla's future Cybercab production system. Now think about what that really means. For more than 100 years, car manufacturing has mostly followed the same basic idea. Thousands of individual parts are stamped, pressed, welded, bolted, glued, and assembled together step by step. Huge factories were designed around this process. Entire industries were built around supplying these parts. But Tesla wants to simplify everything. Instead of building a car body from hundreds of smaller pieces, Tesla wants to create giant structural sections in one massive casting. Fewer parts, fewer robots, smaller factories, faster production, lower costs. And if this works at full scale, many traditional automakers could suddenly find themselves falling behind much faster than expected. Because this is not just another EV battle anymore. This is a manufacturing revolution. Before moving ahead in the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates about Tesla, EV technology, and the future of the auto industry. Now let's understand how this entire GigaPress story actually began. Back around 2020, Tesla shocked the automotive world when it introduced the first 6,000-ton GigaPress machine developed by the Italian company Idra. At the time, it was already considered one of the largest die-casting machines ever used in car manufacturing. Most people didn't realize how important that moment actually was. Before the GigaPress, Tesla's Model Y rear underbody required dozens upon dozens of separate metal parts. Some reports suggested around 70 to 120 individual pieces had to be stamped and welded together. That meant complicated assembly lines, extra robots, additional weight, more manufacturing time, and higher costs. But Tesla changed everything with GigaCasting. Using the 6,000-ton machine, Tesla was suddenly able to create the entire rear underbody as one giant aluminum casting, one single piece. No endless welding points, no massive assembly complexity. Just one large structural component replacing dozens of smaller parts. The advantages were huge. The car became lighter, the structure became stronger, production became faster, factory space was reduced, manufacturing costs dropped dramatically, and most importantly, Tesla proved that large-scale gigacasting actually worked. Soon after, Tesla installed these giant machines inside gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, and Shanghai. The GigaPress quickly became one of the biggest reasons behind Tesla's manufacturing speed and Model Y production success. But Elon Musk wasn't finished. Not even close. As Tesla moved toward developing the Cybertruck, the company faced another challenge. The Cybertruck was larger, heavier, and structurally different from previous Tesla vehicles. The existing 6,000-ton machines were no longer enough. That's when Tesla pushed even further. Idra developed an even larger 9,000-ton GigaPress, specifically for Tesla's next-generation production needs. At the time, many experts believed machines this large were already approaching engineering limits, but Tesla kept scaling up anyway. The Cybertruck's large structural sections could now be produced using even bigger single-piece castings. More molten aluminum could be injected into the molds at once. Larger components could be manufactured faster than before. And that's when the industry started realizing something important. Tesla wasn't simply improving manufacturing. Tesla was replacing the old system entirely. Now comes the real game changer, the next generation 50,000-ton GigaPress. Just hearing that number sounds insane. From 6,000 tons to 9,000 tons was already a massive jump. But now Tesla appears ready to leap towards something nearly 8 times more powerful than the original GigaPress machines. This is no longer a normal industrial tool. This is a monster machine designed to change the economics of car manufacturing itself. To understand how crazy this really is, let's break it down simply. The 50,000 tons does not mean the machine weighs 50,000 tons. It refers to the machine's clamping force, the enormous pressure used to keep the mold tightly sealed shut, while molten aluminum is injected inside at extreme speed. Why is that important? Because when molten aluminum enters the mold under massive pressure, it naturally tries to force the mold open. If the mold separates even slightly, the entire casting process fails. So the machine needs incredible force to keep everything locked perfectly in place. And Tesla's next-generation machine could produce nearly 500,000 kilonewtons of force. That is an absolutely unbelievable amount of pressure. To put it into perspective, some experts compare it to the combined weight of dozens of fully loaded Boeing 747 airplanes pressing down at once. That's the level of industrial force Tesla is talking about. And this enormous power changes everything. Current large casting machines can inject maybe 80 to 100 kilograms of molten aluminum at once. But Tesla's future 50,000-ton system could potentially inject 200 to 300 kilograms or even more in a single casting cycle. That means enormous structural sections of a vehicle could be created in one shot, possibly even major portions of an entire car frame. Think about that carefully. For decades, automakers built vehicles using hundreds of stamped steel pieces connected together like giant puzzles. But Tesla's vision removes much of that complexity entirely. Instead of assembling hundreds of smaller parts, giant cast sections would simply emerge from the machine already completed. The benefits become enormous. Fewer parts means fewer welding robots. Fewer robots mean smaller factories. Smaller factories mean lower costs. And lower costs mean cheaper vehicles. This is exactly why Elon Musk believes Tesla can eventually build highly affordable next-generation EVs like the Cybercab robotaxi. Because Tesla is not just reducing battery costs, it's redesigning manufacturing itself. Now let's talk about why this matters so much for factory speed and production scale. Traditional car factories are incredibly complicated. Hundreds of suppliers ship parts into the factory. Different machines stamp metal panels. Robots weld pieces together. Workers install components one section at a time. The entire process takes huge amounts of space, labor, and time. But gigacasting changes that equation. If a single giant casting replaces dozens of smaller parts, the production line becomes dramatically shorter. Tesla can eliminate entire stages of manufacturing, and that creates massive cost savings. Some estimates suggest Tesla already reduced rear underbody manufacturing costs for the Model Y by around 40% using gigacasting alone. Now imagine what happens if even larger sections are produced using a 50,000-ton GigaPress. The savings could become even more dramatic. Factories may require fewer workers, fewer robots, less floor space, and fewer assembly steps. Production speed could potentially double or even triple. A gigafactory, producing 500,000 vehicles annually today, might eventually produce over 1 million vehicles using future gigacasting systems. That's why traditional automakers are paying close attention. Because if Tesla can produce vehicles significantly faster and cheaper than everyone else, the competitive gap becomes extremely dangerous, especially for older companies still dependent on traditional manufacturing systems. Now let's talk about another major advantage Tesla gains from gigacasting: weight reduction. Traditional car manufacturing relies heavily on steel because steel is strong and relatively cheap. But steel is also heavy. Tesla's gigacasting process uses advanced aluminum alloys instead. Aluminum is much lighter than steel, which means the total vehicle weight can drop significantly. And in EVs, reducing weight is incredibly important. A lighter vehicle requires less energy to move. That improves driving range, acceleration, efficiency, and handling all at the same time. This is one reason why Tesla vehicles often feel quicker and more responsive compared to heavier competitors. And there's another hidden advantage: design freedom. Traditional manufacturing limits engineers because every part must be stamped separately and connected together later. Complex shapes become difficult and expensive, but giant castings allow Tesla engineers to design structures in completely new ways. Mounting points, crash structures, battery integration, suspension sections, all can potentially be designed directly into a single casting. That opens the door for completely new vehicle architectures. And Tesla seems ready to use that freedom aggressively, especially for products like the Cybercab. Now compare this to traditional automakers. Companies like Toyota, Ford, General Motors, and Volkswagen still rely heavily on older manufacturing methods. They operate gigantic factories built around steel stamping, welding, and long assembly systems. These factories were incredibly advanced for their time, but Tesla is now building a different system entirely, and changing old factories is not easy. Installing giant casting machines requires massive investment. Production systems must be redesigned. Entire engineering teams must adapt to completely different manufacturing methods. That takes years. Meanwhile, Tesla keeps moving forward. By the time traditional automakers fully adapt, Tesla may already have another generation of gigacasting technology ready. That is why many analysts believe the next few years could become extremely important for the global auto industry. If Tesla successfully scales the 50,000-ton GigaPress concept, manufacturing costs across the EV market could change dramatically, and companies unable to adapt quickly may struggle to compete on price, especially as affordable EV competition increases worldwide. But despite all the excitement, there are also major risks and challenges involved, because giant gigacasting is not perfect. One major issue is mold cost. The giant molds used for these castings are extremely expensive to design and manufacture. They also wear out over time and eventually require replacement. Maintenance is another challenge. Handling molten aluminum at temperatures above 700 degrees Celsius while controlling massive injection pressures requires extremely precise systems. Even small defects can create serious problems. Air bubbles, warping, cooling inconsistencies, and structural weaknesses become much more dangerous in giant castings. And if a massive casting fails quality inspection, Tesla could lose a huge amount of money instantly. Repairability is another concern. With traditional cars, damaged sections could often be repaired or replaced individually. But if one giant cast structure becomes damaged in an accident, replacing the entire section may become more difficult and expensive. Insurance companies are already paying attention to these issues. So while gigacasting offers huge manufacturing advantages, it also introduces new engineering and economic challenges. Still, Tesla appears confident the benefits outweigh the risks, and looking toward 2027, the industry could look very different. Tesla will likely continue leading gigacasting development alongside companies like Idra and several Chinese automakers. Meanwhile, traditional manufacturers may slowly begin introducing their own large-scale casting systems. Some experts believe 40 to 50% of future EV production could eventually involve some form of gigacasting technology. That means the auto industry may soon split into two groups: companies embracing next-generation manufacturing systems, and companies struggling to modernize older factories quickly enough. Tesla's ultimate goal seems clear: build vehicles faster, build them cheaper, build them lighter, and produce them at a scale competitors cannot easily match. That's why the 50,000-ton GigaPress is more than just a machine. It's Tesla's attempt to reinvent the entire manufacturing process from the ground up. And if Elon Musk succeeds, the auto industry of 2030 may look completely different from the one we know today. The companies leading today may not remain leaders tomorrow, because the next great automotive war may not be about horsepower, batteries, or even software anymore. It may be about who can manufacture vehicles faster, cheaper, and smarter than everyone else. And right now, Tesla is trying to take the lead. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications for more powerful updates about Tesla, EV technology, and the future of the global auto industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.